Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create an infinite logo carousel on Wix Studio. So as you can see, this is a sample page that I have created. So later on, I'm going to show you on how you can create this one as well. So the very first thing that you should do is to simply open any of your web browser and then go to your Wix Studio. Then make sure that you have logged into your Wix Studio account. And once you've done logging in, you'd be able to see here all of your websites. So just click on the sites option. Okay, so here we can choose an existing site or create a new site. So to make this video simple and understandable, what I'm going to do is to create a new site and click on Studio Blank Canvas. Okay, and then right here, the next thing that we should do is to add the elements or the image for our logo. Okay, so let me just click on this option right here. So let me just change the color of the background first. Okay, so I think I'll be using this color, or I'm going to add a new color for this one. Okay, so when selecting the color, so make sure to click on the color and then click on the apply option after that. Otherwise, you're not be able to change the color of your background. Okay, so I think I'll be using this color violet. Okay, so after that, just click on the apply button. So now that we have changed the color of the background, the next thing that we should do is to add here now the image or the image element that we can use for our logo. So just click on the add elements option at the top right, and here in the quick add we have this image, tags, paragraph button, and more. So right here, just have to drag and drop this image icon. Okay, so let us going to put it right here. Then the next thing that you should do is I'm going to resize this one. Okay, so let me just resize this image. So before resizing this, I'm going to change the image. So you just have to click on upload media from computer. Okay, so upload it from computer and then upload your logo from your computer. So for this video, I think I'm just going to use media from Wix. Okay, and then using the search bar at the very top, you just have to search for a logo. Okay, so just give me a second and then I'll try to find something nice that we can use for this video. Okay, so we've got a couple of nice logo right here. So I think I'm going to use this one. Okay, so just simply select your logo and click on the update option. Okay, so now that we're here, I am going to resize this one. Okay, so I'm going to delete this duplicate image since I need to resize this one first. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here and then I'm going to remove this one. So next thing that you should do is you just have to copy and then paste or simply make copies of the first image. The next one is to put it right here. Make sure that they have the same distance. Okay, so let me just arrange my images. Okay, so assuming that these are your logos, so add as many logos as you can until it reaches the other end. Okay, so now the next thing that we should do is we have to stack these images together. So to do that, you just have to simply press and hold the shift key on your keyboard and then select all of the images one by one. So like this one, like what I'm doing right now, I am holding the shift key and then selecting the image one by one. Okay, so after selecting all of the images successfully, you just have to simply click on the stacked option at the left side. Okay, so we have successfully stacked these images together. So I'm just going to remove the other one. And then next thing that you should do is to add an animation for this one. So just simply click on it and click on the arrow at the top right of your screen. And then go to the animation and effects. And then you have to select the loop option. So when you click on the loop option, just click on the add option after that. And then here we have the cross option. So just simply click on this one and you'd be able to see this effects or this animation. Okay, now that we have the animation, next thing you should do is to click on it and click on copy and then paste. Okay, so now that we have a copy for this one, you're just going to adjust it to our left. And then here, next thing that you should do is to add the other copy in this section. So now when we preview this edit, as you can see, we have successfully added an infinite logo carousel on the side. But as you can see, we have an overlapping problem right here. So that is why it is very important to delete the logos that you don't want to include, or simply select all of them and then stack them together. So I am having a problem for this one right here since I added and duplicated this one accidentally, but you don't have to mind this one, okay? So now that we have our logo, next thing that you should do is to add a text. Okay, so to add an infinite carousel text right here, you just have to do the same. So we just go to the add elements option at the top left of our screen, and then I just have to select the text. Okay, so I'm just going to type it right here, like for example, follow us or subscribe to your channel, or simply an important note for your customers. So to make it simple, I'm just going to type it right here, follow us, and I'm going to change the color of this text. So you just have to proceed to the right side of your screen. Then you have here the option to change the color of your text. I think I'll be using this color. Okay, so after selecting your color, you just have to simply click on the apply button after that. So I think the white color is just right, so I'm just going to use the white color. So once you're done, you just have to close this one. Okay, so next thing that you should do is you just have to simply copy and paste this text as well, and after that you just have to stack them together. Okay, so let me just put it right here. So I think I'm just going to create maybe 3 or 4 copies of this text. Okay, so I'm just going to forward this video. Then, as you can see, we have successfully created an infinite logo carousel on Wix Studio. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.